Hi, everybody. Hope you are having a good Labor Day weekend. Of course, one more day to go with the holiday on Monday, then back to work Tuesday. I do want to let you know that shower chance that we talked about much of last week for overnight tonight and Labor Day is already starting to show up along the coast. And certainly once we get into the evening hours, we will begin that shower threat here in the valley. So what you're looking at, this is the upper level map, the American GFS map tomorrow morning, Monday morning, Labor Day at 5 a.m. And you can see the low off of the Oregon coast. Again, it still looks like it's going to cut right up through Oregon. Not a lot of shower activity expected with this, but the chance it will bring. And in fact, we have some rain along the central beaches right now. Now, once this closes, I think on the back side of it, we have a fairly comfortable Tuesday with morning clouds to afternoon sun. But then just like that, check out Wednesday's map. Upper Ridge redeveloping. And we go on another run starting Wednesday of 90-degree temperatures. So Labor Day shower chance, question mark? Yeah, it looks like at least a chance. More 90s to come. And that's kind of the highlight of what this video is going to be talking about. Real quick look back at what the highs were. Again, I'm meteorologist Rod Hill coming to you from the Portland, Oregon area in Vancouver, Washington. We made it to 99 degrees in Portland. It went 93 on Thursday, which matched my forecast high. It went 96 on Friday, which matched my forecast high. My forecast high yesterday, Saturday, was 98, and we hit 99. So pretty good forecasting in terms of pinpointing the highs for you. Hillsboro matched Portland, which was the warmest up and down the valley. Salem was 97, up in Cowlitz County, Kelso 96. Eugene was 96 degrees as well. None of those, by the way, were records. Okay, quick shout out to the Momentous Wealth podcast. Again, listen on Apple Podcasts, listen on Spotify. It's a simple search, Momentous Wealth Podcast, and you get the entire library coming up of different investment topics updated usually about every other week from local investment firm Momentous Wealth Management. We thank them for sponsoring my YouTube channel. Okay, let's talk about what's going on right now. If you're going to watch this afternoon, again, putting this down, it's now 2:18 on a Sunday. And here's what I'm talking about. No lightning detected so far, but some heavy rain pockets just south of Tillamook along the coast. And radar picking up that there might be some showers in other locations as well. I think a lot of this is false returns, but certainly not what's along the coast at the noon hour. And we are unstable. So the chance of a rumble of thunder is absolutely something that is in the forecast. Let me just go down. Here's the upper level low on the current map, again, off the coast of California. And then over here, you can see the cloudiness kind of spiraling up along the central coast. No lightning. Closest lightning detected is all the way over into Utah and the state of Colorado. So far, we are lightning free, but there is the threat of lightning strikes overnight tonight and also tomorrow morning. Here's the way it looks on our live camera network. You know, we have partly cloudy skies inland, but if you have friends spending their holiday weekend at the beach, it's cloudy from Gearhart by the Sea, looking back at Tillamook and Seaside. Down in Lincoln County, there's the Channel House. All inland areas are at least partly sunny. There's the inn at Otter Crest, south of Depot Bay, overcast. And again, we know we have those rain showers that I mentioned a moment ago showing up on radar. Here's the animation of this low that will bring us the threat of scattered showers inland this evening and tomorrow. So here it is at 5 p.m. today. And again, here's the low. You can see the enclosed 573 contour. Then all these colors are little bits of energy, what we call positive vorticity, but they help kind of highlight the energy field or the most likely rain shower field, if you will, around these lows. So here we are getting into overnight tonight. You see the low right there. You can see a rain threat with some positive vorticity over the Cascades. Let me go play this into tomorrow morning. There it is. Now, remember last week we said maybe the rain stays south of Portland and Salem and off to the east. And here's why. This low itself is tracking across southern Oregon tomorrow morning, and then in the afternoon migrates northward up into the Bend Sun River area, or even a little bit slightly south of that. But certainly it brings scattered showers into eastern Oregon tomorrow as well. If this is absolutely correct, the best chance for scattered showers for Portland, Salem, and Vancouver would be this evening, overnight tonight, and tomorrow morning. Again, this is in the chance category, meaning we may not see any rain. here locally, but there will be some scattered showers near this low. Absolutely. And again, already we're seeing some scattered showers along the central coast on this Sunday. If I play this into Tuesday morning, the low weekends, and now it's over here in northeastern Oregon and Idaho. We get a northwesterly flow on the back side of this if you look at the contouring, and that looks like it has a good chance to bring us a marine deck of cloud cover Tuesday morning. Once we clear Tuesday afternoon, we'll start to see high pressure ridging take hold. And just like that, we're going to get back into some hot weather. So here's the overall, the regular contouring of the 18,000 foot, 500 millibar flow pattern. Again, here we are this afternoon, that low down off the California coast. I'm just going to play this quickly. Here we are tomorrow afternoon at 5 p.m. The low is weakening as it moves across south central Oregon. Here we are Tuesday, the low weekends, it moves all the way to Montana. And just like that, here's this ridging developing. So we're seeing some ridging developing out in the Pacific, and then this 591 high is going to start moving northward up into the western US, and it all becomes kind of one big high. So strong ridging takes place Tuesday. Right now, weather models love us being in the mid 90s on Wednesday. And Thursday has the potential to be upper 90s to 100, much like we just saw on this past Saturday. So here's the ridging, and I'll just go ahead and play this into Thursday. Yeah, 594 high, ridge axis well up into Canada. This is all above normal weather. Still potentially a 90-degree day on Friday, but the ridge flattens. See now the ridge axis that was north of Washington, now the ridge axis Friday is north of Montana. We have a strong pressure height of 584, but that's what they call a flattening ridge. So it should take the most extreme heat out of our weather forecast. And then we continue to cool off as we go into the weekend. Watching this big low offshore, I don't see it producing any rain through this upcoming week. Right now, I've got Saturday and Sunday both dry this upcoming weekend with temperatures cooling back down into the 80s. But this is going to hang out, and the question mark is, does it actually come inland at some point next week? Here's Tuesday. This would be a week from this Tuesday. Looks like September 10th. And some of the models just keep this offshore, never really give us rain from it. But note that once we get past this upcoming week, that's certainly something we'll be watching. So here are the current numbers. Boy, right now I'm going to make the assumption that Portland probably stays in the 80s, maybe upper 80s today, but likely not hitting 90 based on 81 degrees at 2 p.m. 94 down in Medford, 98 there expected this afternoon. And then with that, just jump to Wednesday when we get that next big high pressure ridge building. 100, 103, 100. So overall, it's a hot forecast. A little bit more nice on the holiday, Monday, Labor Day is 86 degrees down there. All right, Central Oregon. 94 today. There's that chance of a thunderstorm with some cloudiness as that low moves across south central Oregon on Monday, Labor Day. Chance of a scattered storm over in Bend. After that, it's all back to sun and it's in the mid 90s on Thursday and Friday. Okay. What about our neighbors up to the north? Seattle, 83 today. This is a dry forecast. Remember, all of the action, that low that I'm looking at is in Oregon, not Washington. So absolutely, Seattle's dry, 73 Monday and Tuesday, and then a bit warmer, 84 degrees on Thursday. Okay. Newport, chance of showers this afternoon. Yes, we are seeing that on the radar. Chance of showers lingering at least Monday morning, Labor Day. Yes. After that, it's all dry and warming into the upper 80s, upper 70s, maybe 80 on Wednesday and Thursday of this week. A lot of sunshine coming to the coast. Here's Eugene. Mostly sunny tomorrow. This is not showing a rain chance, but overnight tonight and tomorrow morning, it certainly bears watching that there could be a shower chance. Otherwise, there's the hot weather. 95 in Eugene on Wednesday, 97 Thursday, 95 Friday, 93 Saturday. Wow, how about that? Crazy, crazy, crazy. Here's Portland's 7-day forecast. So 89 this afternoon, at least 85, 86, maybe 89. That shower chance this evening, overnight tonight, and tomorrow morning, which could also, develop a rumble of thunder. Again, this is a chance. I'm not sure if we get anything in our local area or not. It will be cooler tomorrow. Enough cloudiness that's only 77. Clouds to sun at 80 on Tuesday. And then we're off and running with sunny hot weather. 95 Wednesday, 98 Thursday, 92 Friday. And there's that cool down into the weekend, 87 degrees. Before I let you go, those of you that are still watching, so the August report for PDX, site specific, The average, excuse me, the average high temperature for the month was 83 degrees. That was about a degree above normal. The average low was 60. That was the degree and a half above normal. The mean temperature, now think about this. What made news last month, August? The fact that it wasn't that hot, that made news, right? But yet we still averaged 1.2 degrees above normal. And August was a month that produced 11 days, a third of the days stayed under 80. And that's what we remember. It was more comfortable than what we have been seeing. We had 11 days last month that failed to get up to 80 degrees, that stayed mostly in the 70s. One of those days was only in the 60s. But, it's amazing to me that as cool as it seemed, the average was still above normal. So that just tells you how low normals levels are of temperature thresholds compared to what we seemingly are getting used to, right? Does that make sense? Okay, I'm meteorologist Rod Hill. Have a good Labor Day holiday, and I'll talk to you soon.